In today's video, we will talk about the combined torsion and deflection testing apparatus. This is the combined torsion and deflection testing apparatus in which we can perform the torsion test and the deflection test, and it consists of the base frame, the two vertical support, the chuck, the pulley with the cord, the dial gauge, the angular deflector with the pointer, the chuck key, the various different material for the torsion and the deflection. For the torsion we are giving the brass, the mild steel and the iron material, and in the deflection of beam you can give the material of the aluminium, steel and the brass. These are the weight hanger and these are the various weights which are provided. Now we are performing the first experiment of the torsion. For that you have to place this rod in between the chuck. These vertical support can be adjusted with using this and you can hold the rod in between the chuck with using this key to tight this rod in the chuck. Tie the rod in between the chuck with using this chuck key, and now you have to place the pointer at the angle deflector at 0. Now you have to place the weight on this pulley. As you can see, I am placing the weight. As you can see, we have put the load on the pulley and the rod will get torsional deflection, and you can see the pointer will move from the 0 to the fifth position of this angle. Now you have to again place the different rod and take the reading of the angular deflection with the help of this angular deflector. Then place the other different material rod and take the other reading on different weights also. Now we are performing the beam test, the deflection test with using this beam. We are placing this aluminium beam on this vertical support, and you have to fix this dial gauge on this beam for the deflection. As you can see, now you have to give this dial gauge reading to 0. After fixing this pointer at the 0, you have to place this load hanger on the beam. You can place this weight hanger on any point of this beam. There are 5 cm interval we are placing the weight hanger at the 5 cm interval. These are the weight hanger. Now again you have to make sure that dial gauge is at 0 point. We have placed the hanger and adjust the dial gauge. After adjusting the dial gauge, we are placing the weight at the different position. As you can see, we are placing the weight and the reading is changed. There is a deflection in the beam. You can see. You can also adjust the support of this support on which the beam is set by using this screw, by adjusting the screw. Now again you have to place the various weight at different position and take the reading of the deflection, and you can also choose various material to do the same reading, and for the experiment of the deflection. Now this is all about this combined deflection and torsion testing.